Hi everybody, welcome to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. I'm your host, Joe Jurek, and if you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? My name is Joe Jurek. I'm a real estate investor, but I have the ability to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to talk about yet another playlist that I have on my channel. As you look at my channel, you could click and watch videos or click and watch playlists. What playlist am I going to talk about today? The wholesaling playlist. Now, for some of you out there just getting started, I know you're thinking about doing wholesaling in real estate. Some of you might even be saying, Joe, what is wholesaling? So just real quick, with wholesaling, you're trying to find deals for cash buyers that have cash and they want to buy. Now, people might say, well, why would they want to work with me, Joe, if they have cash? They don't care how they get the deal, whether they get it at an auction, through a realtor, or through you. They don't care about you, they really care about the deal. Now, with wholesaling, you're trying to find great deals. A lot of real estate investors that are cash buyers do like off-market and unlisted deals, so be sure to watch my videos on that subject as well as my playlist on that, and that'll give you more tips and tricks and ideas of how to find off-market and unlisted property. But with wholesaling, you're probably going to be thinking about three different strategies: being a bird dog, doing an assignment, and doing a same-day close. So in this playlist, I talk a lot about wholesaling, and I explain the different techniques and strategies that you can utilize, as well as different things that are important for you to understand and figure out. I will continue to add to this playlist, so please come back and watch the videos again, because there will be new videos added. I do add videos daily on my channel, so be sure to check that out. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, down here, feel free to hit the little subscribe button, and you can also ring the bell. It's up here on this side, and that'll notify you of any new videos that I put out. But I want to tell you, get out there, make it happen. Wholesaling is a great way to get started, especially if you're brand new. Even if you've done real estate for a long time, wholesaling is a great option. Why is that? If you're good at putting together deals and finding deals, we often don't have enough time or money to do them all. So if you got a rock solid list of cash buyers and you got more deals than you can handle, wholesaling might be for you. So I hope you enjoy this playlist dealing with all kinds of things, wholesaling, cash buyers, a whole bit. And I want you to get out there and make those dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!